Hi friends, this is your exit ticket for lesson 4. So in your learning video, you should have learned that we can take numbers, we can create a number bond from one of these numbers to add to 9 to make a 10. So we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So just like in this example up here, you have the number sentence 9 plus 2. So what they did, friends, is they took a 1 from 2 so that it could give it to 9 because 9 plus 1 equals 10. Then we have that extra number, that third number over here, that creates that number bond of part plus part equals whole. So friends, that's what you're going to do in your exit ticket today. So you're going to look at this number sentence, okay? Here's our 9. We know that 9 needs a 1. So we're going to pull a 1 from this 6. And then what is that other part? If we pull 1 from this 6, what's that other missing part? Once we have that, we are going to add our third number to this number sentence down here. Okay, so just like they did up here. 9 needs 1, so it took a 1 from 2, but then there's still that 1 left over, so we have to make sure we add that third number in to that 10 to get our final whole. Okay, so you're going to do that to both of these problems. Friends, don't get confused. This one is just written backwards. So if you want to write it the correct way of 4 plus 9 equals blank, you can do that. It's the same thing. If you need more help, go back and watch this video again, or even go back to your learning video before you complete your exit ticket.